Hello friends, welcome to KB Tutorials. So in this tutorial we are learning how we can implement drag and drop in Katalon Studio. As you can see, I have implemented a small script here and I have started running this. And now you can see it is started executing, and let's see the output here. Now you can see this one is drag and drop is completed. So how we can implement this concept that we are going to learn in this tutorial. And sorry for the disturbance guys, outside there is a lot of construction work is going on. So now I am taking to identify the objects, I am using this spy object here, and here I am using this particular website called jqueryui.com, where default is a particular web page. I am taking, there were quite a bit of examples on this. Okay, now if you see here, just come down here. Yeah. So just a minute. Yeah guys, now you can see this is our source and this is our target. So this source I am trying to put it into the target. So first let me identify the element. First element is my source, so I am identifying using alt and tilde. Now you can see alt tilde was identified. Let me keep this as something like source. Now this one, this is target, and let me save everything to a object repository here. Let me keep a new folder, something like drag drop drp, because I already have another one. Now I am saving everything. Now let me close this. If you see here, all my objects were presented here. Now let me record this web. Let me take a new test case. Drag and drop implementation. Here, now I am taking a record web here, and simple, just launch everything and navigate. Till navigate I am going to do here. Now you can see it is navigated properly. Now click on OK. Now here first use the click operation, select the source, this is my source. Then to do drag and drop here, just select drag and drop object, yeah, this one, and object is the source, input will be the target guys. So what is my source? My source will be this one, input, and the target will be this one, this is the target. Okay, so source and target. Okay, now if I start executing and see the output, how it is coming, it should come properly. The only thing is, like, before applying drag and drop, you should click on that object. That is the one point that we need to remember guys. And it's actually very rare kind of operation that we do. Usually not many times we do this. Now you can see it completed properly. Okay, so usually not many of times we come across this scenario in real time, but it's a very important interview question as part of automation. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel, and do watch all the tutorials. There were close to 9 tutorials as of now on Katalon Studio. So I hope you watch all of them and you gain some knowledge from it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.